Yes, I read your bridge. Yes, that's correct. That's
Yeah, I saw that there was a series of emails on this subject, but I haven't had a chance to read them yet, so I'm a little bit behind on this issue.
Science 2, this is RV Nav.
Video, you want to try a quick zoom on this, or is there too much stuff in the water?
Yeah, from my understanding, things could change, but as it stands right now, we don't have the capability to save all footage from each dive, but we're certainly going to try and save everything we can. And I'll be pushing the video crew here to save as much as I can get them to save.
Jim, we are recording the entire dive both here and in Victoria,
Thank
so
you.
we do have reasonable quality of everything.
Okay, and just as a reminder, the Indonesians are recording all three channels 24 hours a day on digital format, so it should be available here through the Indonesians as well.
That's good to hear.
Okay, that's
Roger
great.
that.
I'm not sure if anyone else has any issues that they want to cover. Certainly, if you can continue to think about some CTD waypoints during the dive, possibly while we're in transit, that would be helpful to us.
Roger that.
And
yeah, John, we've been talking Seattle and Jakarta, and I think we're pretty much decided.
Yes, that's correct. That's
yeah, I saw that there was a series of emails on this subject, but I haven't had a chance to read them yet, so I'm a little bit behind on this issue.
Science 2, this is RV Nav.
Video, you want to try a quick zoom on this, or is there too much stuff in the water?
Okay, and just as a reminder, the Indonesians are recording all three channels 24 hours a day on digital format, so it should be available here through the Indonesians as well.
That's good to hear.
okay, that's great.
Available here through the Indonesians as well.
That's good to hear.
Okay, that's
Roger
great.
that.
I'm not sure if anyone else has any issues that they want to cover. Certainly, if you can continue to think about some CTD waypoints during the dive, possibly while we're in transit, that would be helpful to us.
Roger that.
And
yeah, John, we've been talking Seattle and Jakarta, and I think we're pretty much decided.
I'd like to get to this point, then this point, then this point. Just give us a sense of what's most important to you. Don't worry too much about a drop site. Just give us the things that you really kind of want to see, or give us an idea on how you'd like to see a transect made, and then
Get the good contours to really help us
Zoom.
be able to pick those waypoints.
Hi, this is Mashkur. You can do contours if you have a full version of
Science,
Flittermouse.
this is Nav. Is that an acceptable
And
position down
if you
here?
just have the free viewer, you will not be able to do that on that free version. But for Jim, who is in ECC Jakarta, and I think they have a full version of Flittermouse. So if you just open the files and then go to the toolbar on the top, it says Tools, and then you can access the contouring tool from there.
I'll have to double check. I think we just have the preview software.
Okay, where the cursor just
Roger that. Sponge. Shrimp. Video, or
yeah, just put it on the net shares ROV is fine.
Pilot, this is Nav.
It's pilot.
Bridge is checked in, said they're just going to adjust our heading by 10 degrees to the right.
Roger that.
Okay.
Can I get you to come up about 5 meters?
You talking to me or co-pilot?
Co-pilot.
Gotcha.
Did I key you? Oh, yeah, we're so close together that I know I do the same thing. I look over sometimes. I think you're talking to me. I'm like, okay, go for zoom. He's got spikes. Might be able to get closer. I think I'm going to need to move on because the camera platform's getting right over top of me here. Him?
Okay, I'm gonna come out. Of course, now he moves.
It's a Screen Actors Guild fish.
So John, I think that's another one of the tonguefish group that I was just working on.
Yeah, I can see that. I like it when the name applies to what it looks like.
Oh, pilot, do you need a all stop on the ship or? Okay.
Nah, I'll just pick up and move here.
Let's keep moving.
Okay,
Copy that.
zooming out. Full wide, pilot.
Sit down. We'll try to get a shot of this. We're going to go ahead and once we get some video of this, I want to zoom out and we'll get some lasers on this to get the size of this thing.
Yeah, sounds good, pilot.
Could you get lasers for me, Tom?
Lasers on.
Move on anytime, pilot.
Roger that.
Whoops.
Can you tilt down? he got it. If he can do it.
Good work, video.
Get there.
Yeah, you're going to have to zoom out a little, I think.
If he keeps walking, we can go back in tight again. Pilot, how are you doing? You getting
Hey, Eric,
yanked
this
yet?
is Brian.
We got a couple more seconds.
All right.
Yeah, we can head out whenever.
Go ahead, Brian.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, we haven't stopped the ship.
Go ahead.
Symmetry's pretty benign
Yeah, go ahead,
here,
pilot.
and you're going a little bit downslope, so you can just.
The zoomed out contour map. It took me some time to realize that the bitmap file I was trying to upload was far too large, so I compressed it to a JPEG.
Good.
Really
I
good
knew you'd
job,
find a way
Randy.
around it.
Good.
It's a rather pretty little shrimp. He's not a. It looks like he's adapted for being able to pull stuff out of the water with his little bifurcated toes there, and also his front walking legs have got all sorts of feathers on them. It looks like he's a suspension feeding shrimp.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's really interesting.
All right. I'm going to be going wide now.
And then I can lift.
Can you lift
just,
a little bit?
I
Come up
can,
in altitude just a bit?
Well, yeah, but I'm going to have to lift and move because I'm going to get pulled off in a second. So how do you want to do the exit? Do you want to do an exit on this, or you just want to fade right or left?
Yeah, we can fade right would work because the little guy's going to come right into these. He's hearing his curtain call.
Okay, I'm going to come up and then fade right.
Right. I'm going to be tight when you're doing this, if that's all right. Go ahead and make your move and see what I can pick off. Go ahead, pilot, make your move.
I'm trying. Was that good?
Good.
You're clear to zoom.
Going in. That current? Wow. You tilt down just a little bit.
Yeah, I figured it's almost half a knot.
That's some serious current.
I just didn't want to take anything away from the biologist.
Before we pull off this, let's laser him.
I'm all right with that too. Did you guys want to just proceed to the target that we made and go north from there, or did you want to keep moving east to where it gets a bit steeper?
Well, the plan was to go to where it is steeper.
All right, you want to go for lasers?
Pilot, this is Science.
Go science.
The scientists on shore appreciate the very good shots of animals we're getting, but we'd like to increase the speed and make tracks towards our target now, if possible.
Roger that.
Now,
And then proceeding upslope and along the crest of that ridge there to the east.
Seattle,
and
Jakarta,
just see
this
how far we
is...
can get. Hopefully,
Sorry to interrupt, but the ship is approached the target now, and Nav is wondering if he should send it up to the north, or if we want to go southeast. I know you're just discussing this, but...
I think we just decided on southeast. Would you agree there, Jim?
yeah, I agree. Maybe
Okay.
go down to that blue contour line.
Now, if we're going to map a new line...
on that, the steep part of that slope. The middle blue contour line, I'm not sure which
Can we
line
set a
that is.
target for the 1,700-meter contour line to the southeast of...
We're just pausing here while the camera platform catches up a bit.
Did you want me to zoom and focus on it while we're sitting here?
Have we seen one of these on this dive yet?
I haven't been here for about an hour and a half.
I think I'll move on here as per my instructions. Getting a little tether slack. There's another one of those things.
Yeah, I think we saw one of those earlier with a little starfish sticking out from the bottom.
Sorry.
We just lost it. It looked good for a while.
Dave, did you ever have one of those lamps they made out of sea urchins?
No.
Kind of like a nightlight. It's pretty cool, actually. It's very 70s.
Quick zoom on that video. Sorry about the dust. We just can't do this from up current. It's a rock.
3 meters. Yes.
Well, this is not going to work.
Should I drop a target just in case we want to come back?
There's some rocks. We should slow down and look at rocks.
Check to tether, please, co-pilot.
Roger. You want me to zoom out here?
Yes.
Okay. Video, could you zoom out all the way on our high def? Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna be here looking around. You're probably gonna get caught up with me a little bit.
Roger, I'm 16 to 18 meters above you. The tether looks good. Pilot, what if I come up about 5 meters so I can look down on you?
That sounds good.
Roger.
EX, this is Seattle. Could we get a close-up on the purple job there and the orange ones behind?
Roger. ROV pilot to Science Slate. Go ahead, Science. Would you mind to take a close look at the two figures, the purple and the orange ones? Purple and orange, copy that. Video, slight zoom on Little Herc, please. Hold that. I've got full up on the verticals and it's still pushing down. Please.
Tether.
Okay, I'm back at the rock. That float is just waving in the breeze. I have full up on my verts. It's pushed the float down. It's pretty wild. We have to watch out for this. You don't want the float to get pushed down where it might get hung up.
Mind if we zoom in a little bit, Carl?
Just a little bit. Oh, you can zoom in a little Herc just to get the frame out of the way there. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, and video you can zoom in. My camera is all the way to the stops, so you can't do much. I might actually take this opportunity to rotate her back around.
I'll zoom you out for that.
Pilot, I'm just going to rotate all the way around to get you
Roger that.
back into my field of view.
On all's right with the world again. Okay, the infamous purple bush.
Video, if you'd like to zoom in, back and centered.
Are we pilot to science lead?
Go ahead.
Okay, I think this is the best one try so for us, so we can keep moving on up slope.
Up slope. Roger, up. Moving up slope.
Hold on a minute.
Video, could I get zoomed out on the, thank you.
We try to look at the corals that are in the back there. We have somebody who wants to get a good.
Pilot, this is Nav. The move is underway.
Thank you.
I think we're going to have to start
EX, this
moving
is
on.
Seattle.
Yeah, I simply can't.
Seattle, this is
Can't find a
EX.
safe.
Looks like it's got some teeth on that thing.
Yep.
Pilot, I'm spinning a bit up here.
Yeah, I'm going to be stretching you out. Get you
Okay.
turned back around to the... Oh, that's a long one.
Wow.
Glad I didn't knock that over.
Battle.
Seattle, this is EX.
Could we try again to zoom in on that red coral?
Okay.
I can do that.
Robbie Pilot to translate. Can we take a close look with to these red creatures?
Yes, we can.
Co-pilot to translate. Please turn the laser on.
Roger.
Ooh. Okay, bear with me. I got to bump up a little bit. I'm full tilt up. I think I'm too close. Okay, we're perched. You can do anything you want. Well, we're sort of perched.
Very nice.
Okay.
EX, could we also look to the left at the chronoid?
I beg your pardon. We got to the left. There's our crinoid there.
Okay.
Seattle 2X.
Yeah. Lifting off.
Video, could you zoom camera platform out all the way? Thank you. So pilot, I caught up to you and started spinning a half
May
turn.
we have the lasers, please?
I'm gonna take
Yeah.
off to the north and get you straightened out here.
Yeah, should work well.
Roger that.
Okay.
Okay, Carl, I'm coming underneath you, so make sure you're above my floats.
Roger, I'm coming up on the winch now.
Okay, thank you. Stretch out. And yes, the slope is to my right. I see that.
We move away.
Get back for a while.
On the next one.
Seattle 2X. This is.
Might have to slow down and grab some of these images.
Okay. Have we got some coral people?
Yep.
Anybody we know?
Don't know.
Okay, well, we'll get this one.
Would you like me to pause the ship up here, pilot, so we don't get too far behind?
All right.
Bridge.
Actually, if you just slow them back down to a 10th knot, I think we'll be fine.
Copy that, pilot.
This is Bridge, go ahead.
Yeah, Bridge, can we slow back down to 0.1 knots, same bearing, please?
Video. Yes, go in. I'm afraid I've run out, but let me just give me a second here. See if I settle out. A little bit more down might squat us into the mud here. Oop. Okay, video. I'm panning left. I got some tilt, hang on. There we go. Coming left.
Video, you're clear to zoom.
Pilot to science leads, could you please turn the laser on?
Copy that, science.
That looks very nice.
Slide around a little bit. Come on.
Co-pilot, this is ROV now.
Go ahead now.
Can you just give me an idea of what, I guess, your minimum winch speed will be on the ascent?
It'll probably be about 20 meters a minute.
Okay, that'll be, okay. Thank you.
He's eating it, isn't he? Maybe he's not. I don't have too long here, so.
Copy that. Here come the lasers. Lasers on.
Let's see here. There.
Thank you for the lasers.
Good video. All right. Going wide. Thank you.
This is ROV nav to the group. I just want to let you know that we have probably about another 30 minutes of bottom time left before we're going to have to start our ascent.
Roger that.
Thank you.
Go in. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, pilot. pilot to science lead. Yeah. Would you mind to turn the laser on once descent is zoom out?
Copy that, science.
Lasers?
Yeah, once we get done with the pretty pictures part. Copy that video.
Hey, this is a great shot.
Copy that. Lasers coming on.
Pilot, this is RV now.
Go nav.
This worth documenting in the high pack, you think?
I don't know if they've been doing biology or not. I'm unsure of that.
All right.
Probably not, because they won't come back for this. More events and big, geological events or. Right. So we all good? Lasers are on?
RV pilot, could you take a little zoom to the right hand side crab there?
Lasers coming off.
Okay. So what do you want, video?
EX, Seattle.
Seattle is CX.
Could we have the red sea lily in the just to the right?
Oh, they want the red.
Okay. We reduce the light.
Could we focus on the red sea lily? That would be great.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna set
ROV
up.
pilot to science lead. Get a focus on the red craters and could you decrease the lights a little bit?
Copy that, science. Thank you.
Go ahead. Zoom video. Yep, it's good. I feel stable. I know. It's okay. Not a bad way to end it. Little rock.
ROV pilot to science lead.
Go science lead.
It looks like
Hey, EX, this is really a great shot.
I think there's a crab on it.
Trying, yeah. I'm in a hard twist right now. Hold on, let me bring this.
Yeah. Science lead, this is RV Nav.
ROV Nav, come in.
Just want to let you know we are pretty much running out of time, so any last requests? Otherwise, we're going to have to start up.
It looks like this is the last request, I think. So we just try our best to focus on these creators, take a base image on that things.
So this red coral, anything else on this rock that's important?
It looks like a small shrimp or crab. I don't know.
Small shrimp or crab.
Just take a look closer.
Roger. Okay, roger that. Pilot, are we now?
Yeah.
Science Lead has just requested after this, maybe we just grab a couple shots of the crab or shrimp that's down below, and then that'll be it.
And EX, this is beautiful. After this, can we look to the left to the coral?
Okay. Pilot to Science Lead. Can we take a close look to the coral at the left?
Roger that. Coral to the left. Okay, video, whenever you want to zoom. Yeah, they like those corals. Oh, I'm driving into it. I thought you were zooming. I was driving. Okay, hold on. I was like, hold on here. I'm losing light. Hold on. I got to back out of here. Yeah, I thought you were in a zoom, but it was me just driving into it. Okay, hold on. Yeah, because I'm having to push ahead against the current. Let me see if I can set up a little bit better here. Let's have. Can you have the ship stop? Come to all stop.
Bridge, this is ROV nav.
I'm gonna face into this.
ROV nav, this is the bridge. Copy, all stop.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, go ahead. Watching that screen, but. Oh, yeah.
You found a cricket.
Yeah. Deep sea cricket. Oh, a little one of those, maybe? Hold on. You might be able to get it. You might be able to get zoom on him if you want right now. It looks like he's coming into frame. Or you got enough on him? Well, no. about 30 seconds. See if we can get a. Maybe just come on, lateral over.
Very good, EX.
Yeah, so
And
whenever you got enough
lastly,
there, we can,
to focus
Joe, we can,
just down to the
we're
left
done.
on the very small animals.
ROV pilot.
Yeah, we're out of.
And ROV enough. Do we have enough time? Just take a close look to the small craters at the bottom.
Unfortunately, I think we're out of time.
Okay, thank you.
If we'll give them a couple more minutes to get this if they want it.
Sure.
Is this what they're looking for, science?
It looks like yes.
Yes.
This is, are you looking for?
This is?
No,
good.
the white tube.
We're here set up.
Okay.
Just,
okay. Let
just a little bit up.
Okay. Just a little bit up. Pilot to science lead.
Okay, hold on. Let me come on over.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, okay. Stop.
Okay.
Right there.
Right there. Okay. Okay, coming down.
Okay, that's okay. That's white craters.
Okay.
0 2x. This is. Are you looking for?
That's it.
Okay.
So are you happy, Joe, with the video?
Pilot to ROV.
And
Okay, so we put laser on the rocks. So you gotta.
Yes, that was good. Thank you.
Okay, pilot put a laser on the rocks.
it's actually nice.